Hi friends, let's make strawberry cookies.
This is delicious.
The recipe is simple.
Yummy! I want to help.
Of course, let's bake together. Wash the berries shiny red, yummy cookie straight ahead. First we wash our berries clean, the brightest red you've ever seen.
Splish, splash, splish. Into the bowl they go. Clean and sweet, what a treat.
Soft and nice and slow, that's the safest way to go. Mash the berries, squish, squish, squash, kitchen fun without a splash. Mash the berries, squish, squash, kitchen fun without a splash. Ahead. Mix and stir and squish the dough. Watch our strawberry cookies grow. The flour looks like snowy air. Mix it gently with great care. Achoo!
Stir it left and stir it right. Turn the dough so soft and light.
Push and fold with steady hands. That's how yummy baking stands. Knead it softly, tap, tap, tap. Flour dancing, clap, clap, clap. We share our tools and take our turn. That's an important thing to learn. Big hearts, small hearts, every size. Cookie magic full of surprise. Big hearts, small hearts, fun to make. Sharing love in every bake. Wait and wiggle, dance around. Sweetest smells are coming now. Wait and wiggle, dance around. They look like shiny ruby hearts.
Each one is a work of art.
Drizzle, swirl, and decorate. Making cookies feels so great. Crunchy cookies, sweet delight. Friendship makes them taste just right. Crunchy cookies, sweet delight. Friendship makes them taste just right.
These are delicious.
I'm so glad you like them. They're the best. Have another.
Don't mind if I do.
Yummy! Easy steps for strawberry hearts. Yum! Let's make more. First, mash the strawberries. Mix in butter, sugar, and flour. Roll it out. Cut heart shapes and bake. Time to enjoy. So yummy! When we help and kindly share, every treat is made with care.
Get set, happy!